lovely people, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be an haul video. So there was a sale on Friday on Brand Factory. It was an Women's Day sale, so I bought few stuffs from them. If you guys have no idea about Brand Factory, it is a clothing store in Thirumangalam near Ananagar. So they sell clothing brands for kids, women, men. So let's jump into the video. So the first thing I bought from them is this tights. It's a black tights. It has an elastic near the waist. It is from the brand Power Flex, and it has detailings like these. So this tights retails for 2,000 rupees and I got this for 600 rupees, guys. I'll be mentioning the price in the description box or here, somewhere here, and also inserting the picture or video clip of the clothes here. So the next thing I bought is this kurti from them. It is from the brand Ethnicity. Yeah, Ethnicity. So this is the kurti. It is a black, white and red full hand kurti. So this retails for 999 rupees and I just got this for just 300 rupees. The next item I bought from them is this floral peplum top. Yes, this is the top. So sorry guys, this is the top. This is the best buy, I would say, and it has the fringes attached to the neckline, and also the neckline has these kind of details to it. It is from the brand Mineral Life. Yeah, this retails for 1,300 and I bought this for just 600 rupees. So there was a huge sale on Women's Day on women's section, so I got hands on few stuffs only. So the next thing is the second best buy. So this is a jumpsuit. It is a navy blue and purpley printed jumpsuit. So it is a sleeveless jumpsuit. That is not a problem. Anyways, I'm going to be wearing shrug or coat on it. And this is also from the brand called Mineral, and it has pockets on both the side. It is not on my size. It is a bit loose for me. I didn't get my size because there weren't my size available in this jumpsuit. So the next thing I bought is this top from the same brand called Ethnicity. So it has a pink patch work on the neckline, on the chest line, and it is not sleeveless. It has a hands to sleeve to attach to the top. You can pair it up with pink jegging or a pink skirt underneath it. So this is the top. So this is from the brand Firenze. This is a wallet. It is a snake print wallet. So this was not on sale. It retailed for 500 rupees. Yeah, that's it for the videos, guys. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button down below to notify whenever I post a new video. And follow me on all social media, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. And also share my videos to all your friends and family. It would help me to grow my channel. And stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Bye.